In this video, we will look at how the plot view and analyzer decoding work on the PGY i3C EXPD software. When the user sends any commands from the GUI, the commands and results appear on the plot view as well as the decoded result window. In plot view, the user gets the information of the serial clock and serial data signals along with the bus diagram information. The software has various controls that enable the user to have complete control of the plot window. First, we have the mouse control icon. The user can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out by selecting this option. Next, we have the zoom in button. Using this, the user can quickly zoom into a particular area. To zoom in, the user must select a particular field using the left mouse button as shown. Similarly, the user can use the zoom out button to quickly zoom out using the mouse wheel. Next, we have the pan control. Using this, the user can easily pan around the zoomed-in area on the waveform. Next, we have fit to screen. Using this, the user can fit the whole waveform of the selected command into the plot view. Fit to screen can be used when the plot view is zoomed to a particular area, and by selecting this option, the whole transaction is fit into the plot view. Next, we have the vertical cursor option. This allows the user to measure the delta between any two transitions in the plot view. For example, if the user would like to measure the difference between C1 and C2, vertical cursors can be used. Click on the icon and place the cursors at the desired location, and the delta value is displayed as shown. The plot view has a resolution of 4 nanoseconds that allows the user to observe any glitches on the I3C bus. Next, we have the bit overlay representation icon. This option overlays the bit representation data on the bus. This option can be helpful for decoding purposes. Lastly, we have the Save Image option. This allows the user to save images of the plot view which can either be saved or inserted into the PDF report. This option is useful if the user is observing any glitches or errors which would be of interest, and to save this information to analyze it at a later point in time. To save the image, just click on the Save Image icon and enter the custom path where the image is to be saved. Users can add custom names for images while saving. All the windows are resizable and can be made to full screen to get a better view or hide as shown. Next, we have the decoded result window. Here, the user gets information of the transactions such as the relative timestamp information, information of the frame type, the device ID info, error info, etc. For example, if the user is sending many commands as shown, the decoded result window gets updated. This window is correlated with the plot view. Hence, whenever the user clicks on a particular command in the decoded result window, the plot is automatically switched to the selected command. The user can also set markers between two commands to measure the time difference. Multiple markers can be set accordingly depending on what the user would like to measure. Markers can also be renamed and deleted. Users can also clear all the markers at once, or only particular ones as shown. Next, we have the selected frame view. The selected frame view displays the information of the individual packets of the selected command in the decoded result window. Here, the user gets information such as the timestamp information, packet type information, value of the packet, the information of the host that is, master or slave, the frequency value, mode of operation that is, SDR or HDR, and lastly, the error information. The selected frame view is also correlated with the plot view. Hence, the user can click on a particular frame, and the plot view is automatically updated with the selected packet. So, this is all for today's video. Thank you.